This
Traffic.
conference will now be recorded.
Today we are going to discuss about traffic lights interfacing with 8051 microcontroller. Okay, uh, let me take this notepad. Okay, uh, traffic lights interfacing with 8051 microcontroller. Okay, fine. Guys, let everybody have to do parallelly along with me. Okay, try to open your Proteus. Okay, first go with the hardware part, and then we'll come back to the software part. Okay, traffic lights in the sense like you know this is by observing this picture you'll get a clear idea about this. Okay, click on ISIS, click on ISIS, and go to pick the device, type our microcontroller 8089C C51, double click on this. Okay, it is selected, and coming back to this keywords, type traffic lights. Yes, this is the one. I hope everybody are aware of this, how it works, right? Okay, so guys, we will control these traffic lights by using the 7-segment display also. We'll see that in the next class. Okay, this is a normal traffic lights which is controlled uh, by our course recording. Yes, I recorded the session. No worries. Okay, and whatever the port you want to take, you can take it. I'll take port 2. Okay, I'll take port 2 and give the connections. Okay, clear. This is my hardware part. uh Guys, I hope you all are aware of this, right? Whenever the red light is on, obviously the remaining two lights definitely should be in off, right? Whenever this yellow light is on, remaining two colors like red and green is in off state, in off, as like a green. Okay, this is how the traffic lights will work. Okay, so our code will says that okay, we'll give some delay for red light, for yellow as like green. Okay, so by our program we are going to control this traffic lights. We are going to control this traffic lights. Okay, this is the working process of traffic lights. Open your keel, open your keel microvision file, and microvision project. Open keel, traffic lights. Okay, I'm going to, in this traffic lights, I'm going to save it as traffic lights, traffic light. Okay, guys, you are aware of this total process. Okay, select our microcontroller 8089C51. Is this 8089C51? Select it, double click on this, click on OK. Better to click no. If you click yes, no worries. Okay, target one is created. Go to the file, new, save it. Save it as traffic light dot c, traffic light dot c. Okay, and add a file to the source group, add it and close and close. Fine. Now we'll write a code. Guys, everybody have to respond that what is our header file, like what is the hardware part. Please respond in chat box. Please respond in chat box. What is our header file? What is the hardware part? reg51.h hash includes. That's good. Hash include reg51.h. Voice is so dull. Okay. So I'll raise my voice. Okay. Fine. This is our header file. Hash includes reg51.h. Next step is what? Hardware declaration, right? Or port declaration. So if you come back to this Proteus hardware part, okay, for red is connected to port to pin number 0, right? Yellow is connected to port to pin number 1, as like green is connected to port to pin number 2. This is the hardware part which we have to declare in Keil. Okay, so S bit red is equal to port to pin number 0 as like remaining. Okay, S bit red is equal to port to pin number 0, right? Therefore S bit yellow is equal to port to pin number 1, right? As like green is equal to port to pin number 2. Clear? So the hardware declaration, hardware part is over. Header file is over, hardware part is over. Next one is what? Function declaration, right? What's our function declaration? Void delay. So delay is our function. I'm going to declare here. Next is main function. Okay, open the braces. I'm going to do this continuously, so that I'm going to use while loop here. While of 1, because the process want to repeat it for infinite times. Open it. So now what's our task? If I want to make red on, remaining 2 colors should be off. Then you have to give some delay, as like yellow, as like red, as like green. Okay, right? So first make red as on. It means that 1, like remaining 2 colors like yellow and green should be off. Then you have to give some delay. The same process will be repeated. For yellow, right? Now yellow should be no, red should be off. Okay, yellow should be on, and green should be off. So then you have to give some delay. Okay, and in the third step, red and yellow becomes 0, green should be on. Okay, red should be 0 and yellow should be 0 and green should be on. Fine, then you have to give some delay. Fine, our task is completed. Now we have to close while loop as well as main function. and void definition, delay definition, void delay, open it. This is for to give some delay. We are writing delay definition here for I is equal to 0. As you are all aware of these steps, okay, I don't need to explain all this. I less than 100, I plus plus. For j is equal to 0, j is equal to 0, j less than 1000, j plus plus. Okay, you have to close the for loop here. Okay, fine. This is our program. Okay, try to build this. Okay, it says 0 errors and 0 warnings. Go to this target one, right click on this target one, options for target one, try to change the clock frequency 11.05, 92, go to the output, create hexa file. Okay, again rebuild this. It shows creating hexa file. Okay, hexa file is created. Go to this Proteus. I'll try to decrease it. Yes, right click on this, choose your path. Path is most important. Kill traffic lights, Twix traffic lights dot hex. Change the clock frequency here to 11.0592. Okay, run this. Yeah, I'll keep guys. It is executing, it is working, but actually, practically, the traffic lights won't work like that, right? Definitely, there should be some delay for red. There should be some delay for yellow as like green, right? So if there is a delay for every light, it should be reasonable. So then only we can call it as traffic lights, right? So for that, we are going to pass the arguments in delay function. Okay, let me pass the arguments here. Okay, in delay function, what is the arguments you want to pass here? Unsigned argument, because which is going to take the positive value, unsigned int. Okay, this is our arguments which we have to pass here in delay function. Okay, by passing these arguments, you can give some delay here. Okay, in the middle of this program, you can give some delay. It's your wish. Okay, see, for example, if I want to make red for 1000 microseconds, you can directly give the delay here by passing the arguments in delay function. Okay, okay, here you can give, it's your wish, to pass an arguments to give some delay. Okay, in the void definition, you have to do same as like delay function unsigned int. The int should be some n value, the integer should be some n value. A small change is this, try to keep n. Now rebuild this. Let me go back to this. Yes, now it works clearly, it works practically. Okay, in this way how the traffic lights will work, in this way how the traffic lights will work. Yes, it's your wish to give delay like 1000 microseconds or 2000 microseconds. Let me increase the delay. Okay, whenever if you pass the arguments in the delay function, delay declaration, I mean that function declaration, if you pass the arguments like unsigned int, unsigned means obviously it chooses a positive value, a positive delay will be there. Okay, so that is the reason why we are giving one particular delay, like for red 1000 microseconds, for yellow 1000 microseconds, as like for green we are giving 500 microseconds. Okay, if you want to change it 2000, that's okay. rebuild this. Uh, yes. Okay. Yes, I'll paste it in the chat box. Yes, if you are done with this, I'll go forward. Okay, I'll go for the next task. Meanwhile, let me take the screenshots of this. Yes, are you following? Vintunara? Yes, 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 yes. Guys, if you completed this parallelly, I'll go for this next task. Completed. Okay. Wait minute. In tomorrow class, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we'll see like you know working of traffic lights by using the 7 segment, like junction by using this junction, like 4-way traffic lights. You'll see everything. Mahesh, is it okay? Is it completed? Yes, it's okay. Let me stop this. Let me delete this block. Uh, Traffic lights, delete. Yes. Okay, guys. Next one is next task we are going to do is motors. Motors interfacing with 8051 microcontroller. Okay, so what are the components required for 8051 microcontroller? Before going to that, what is a motor? DC motor. I hope everybody knows about this DC motor, right? So what is a DC motor, how it works, and where are the I mean that where we use this DC motor? Can you please respond in chat box? So what is a DC motor? Guys, please respond. It is a DC motor is an output device. Okay, anybody? Main important point, like diesel engine. Okay, most important point, which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. This is the first and the most important point, that DC motor will convert electrical energy into mechanical energy. Here the energy is conserved, right? Here the energy is conserved. I hope uh, mm, while we are at 5 years or 6 years or below 10 years of age, by using the DC motor we are going to make some fans, and we will play with the DC motor, right? So we'll connect the positive terminal or negative terminal to the battery, 9 volts battery, and we'll keep we'll make small fans and we'll try to rotate it. Okay, so that is a DC motor, which means that which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. Here the energy is conserved, right? This is the most important point. In big industries, big DC motors will be used, depends upon their applications. Okay, so we will see, we are going to connect the two motors for microcontroller. Okay, working on two motors. Now at present we are going to work on two motors connected to this 805 microcontroller. What are the components required for this? Okay, obviously first one, we know that our microcontroller 8089C51, this is our first component. Obviously without microcontroller we can't do anything. Second one is L293D. This is a motor driver. This is a motor driver. Okay, so why we want to use this L293D? Why we want to use this? What is the use of this using? Why do we need use L293D? Why do we use this in this topic? Actually, by using this motor driver, we are going to connect the two motors at a time. This is the best use of this L293D. And one more point, that inbuilt 5 volts DC power supply will be there for 8051 microcontroller. So we need external power supply. Okay, to give the power supply for this DC motors, we are going to use this L293D, and it is going to remove some noises. Okay, so this is the best use of this L293D motor driver. Okay, I'll explain you while I'll pick the device in Proteus, how many pins are there, what are the use of these pins. Okay, fine. Third one, third important I mean device, I mean that is motor. Obviously motor. So these are these three are mandatory for motor interfacing with 8051 microcontroller. Okay, these are the components, it is mandatory. Okay, try to open your Proteus. Obviously my microcontroller is there with me, and you know, go to P, pick the device, type L293D. Okay, this is the one. Double click on this and motor we can take this, guys. Type keywords, in keywords type motor, you'll get a motor library is active, description is simple DC model. Okay, double click on this, double click on this. Okay, these are the components are required for this task. Okay, I'm going to use port 2 because port 2 is more comfortable for me. Okay, fine. So this is motor 1 and this is motor 2, right? Guys, if you observe here, how many pins are there? 14 pins are there, right? If you observe right side, output 1 and output 2, these two pins will connected to motor 1. These two pins is connected to motor 1. Well, output 3 and output 4, output 3 and output 4 is connected to motor 2, right? For motor 1, output 1 and output 2 is connected to motor 1, output 3 and output 4 is connected to motor 2. Here ground pins are there which is connected to ground. VSS and VS pins is connected to power supply. Okay, guys, if you observe here, input 1, input 2, enable 1. Okay, where input 1, input 2, enable 1, which belongs to motor 1, enable 2, input 3 and input 4 which belongs to motor 2. Remember that. Okay, guys, here enable pin is there. Obviously input 1, input 2, you know that whether if you want to move this motor in forward direction, we will use this input 1 and input 2, and I will show you how it works also, what are the values, what are the probabilities, what are the cases we'll get, we'll see. But here if you observe this enable 1 and enable 2, these two pins, what are the use of these two pins? Okay, guys, remember this, these two pins used to drive the motor. So if the motor wants to rotate in forward direction, or if the motor wants to rotate in reverse direction, this enable pin should be in high. It means that enable pin should be is equal to 1, should be high. Then only the motors will rotate, whether it is in forward or in reverse direction. Clear? So if this enable pin becomes 0, obviously the motor won't work. Okay, it will stop. Clear, guys? If this enable pin becomes high, the motors will work, whether it is in forward or reverse, depends upon your case, depends upon your application. If this enable pin becomes 0, the motor won't work, it will stop. This is the use of this enable 1, enable 2. Okay, fine. Let me connect this. Guys, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Go to this terminal mode, take the ground and connect here. As like go to the power supply should be connect. Okay, for input 1, input 2, enable 1, which belongs to motor 1. Okay, I'm going to connect this. Ninth pin, enable 2, input 3 and input 4, which belongs to motor right? The connections is done. If you want to rotate the motor in forward direction, or if you want to rotate the motor in reverse direction, the enable pin should be high, which means that enable pin should be is equal to 1. Okay, that's the most important. And if you are done with this hardware part, I'll open the paint. I'll open the paint. This is motor 1, this is motor 2. Obviously 2 terminals are there. Obviously 2 terminals are there. Guys, I'm going fast or like I want to wait? Are you getting my point? Ardhamavutunda? Is it clear, or like am I a little bit of fast, or like I want to go slow? Yes. Yes, I'll make it this. Okay, fine. Guys, have you completed this? The hardware part is over. Hardware part is clear for you. Here I'm going to take the total port 2 here. Okay, here I'm going to take the total port 2, but I don't want to use these 2 pins. I'll make these 2 pins as 0 because I'm not using these pins, right? So I'll make these 2 pins port 2 pin number 6 and I mean that 7 and 8. Okay, it means the 2.6 and 2.7. I'm going to make these 2 pins as 0 and I'm going to use these 6 pins only. Yeah, I'll talk after the class, Jitendra. Okay, fine. If you are done with this hardware part, I'll open the paint. Fine. Yes, this is a motor 1 and this is a motor 2. Obviously this is positive terminal, this is negative terminal, this is positive terminal, and this is negative terminal. So guys, if this motor wants to rotate in forward direction, if the motor wants to rotate in forward direction, okay, here you have to give logic 1, here you have to give logic 0, which means that the motor is rotating in forward direction, okay, or clockwise direction or forward direction. Okay, if this motor as like motor, if you are given logic 1 at positive terminal, given logic 0 at negative terminal, the motor 2 will rotate in forward direction. Obviously if in this negative, in the side of negative terminal, if you give logic 1 here at this point, and if you are given 0 in this terminal, okay, which means that input 1, if you take input 1 and input 2, if you are given input 1 as 1, input 2 as 0, motor 1 will rotate in forward direction. Okay, if you are given input 2 as 1, input 1 as 0, the motor will rotate in reverse direction or anti-clockwise direction. This is a working process, right? As like motor 2, if you are given 1 for input 2 and for input 1 if you are given 0, okay, obviously the motor will rotate in anti-clockwise or reverse direction. This is a working process, right? How many cases we can take? How many cases here? Because we are using 2 motors, right? We can take so many cases, like these 2 motors rotate in forward direction, or like these 2 motors will rotate in reverse direction. Okay, one motor in forward and one motor in reverse. One motor will stop, another motor will rotate in forward or reverse. We can take so many cases. Okay, you can take so many cases. Fine. Here I am going to take 4 cases. Guys, are so it's your wish to take any case, like if motor wants to rotate in forward and motor to rotates in reverse, this is also a case. Okay, but depends upon I mean that our time. I'm going to take only 4 cases. I'm going to take 4 cases that 2 motors rotate in forward direction. Okay, case 1. As again I'm saying, I'm telling you that it's your wish to take any case, no worries. Most important that hexadecimal value is most important, because we want to generate the hexadecimal value. So that's the reason it's your wish to take any case, any probability. Okay, here I'm taking 4 cases. First case is that 2 motors want to rotate in forward direction. Okay, 2 motors in forward direction. This is my first case. Prem Sai, my voice is dull now. Is it okay? Fine. This is my first case. And second case, I want to take it as 2 motors want to rotate in reverse. 2 motors in reverse direction. 2 motors in reverse direction. This is my second case. Third case is second motor, like motor 2 wants to rotate in forward direction. Motor wants to, I want to make the motor 1 stop. Okay, I want to make this motor 1 in off state, and I want to make this motor 2 in forward direction. This is my third case. You can try you on your own, like which case you want to prefer, which case you want to take. It's your wish. Okay, better to change the case also. Okay, so many cases, you'll get so many cases, right? Motor 1 should be off, motor 1 should in off, and motor 2 in forward direction, 2 in forward direction. This is my third case. And fourth case is case 4 is I want to stop motor 2, motor 1 in reverse direction, motor 1 in reverse direction. Okay, no need to write this much of long. Motor 1 in reverse and motor 2 in off. These are my 4 cases which I'm going to take now. Okay, so for these 4 cases we want to generate the hexadecimal value. Okay, and we'll keep these hexadecimal values in a program. Okay, as clear? Guys, are you following? Please respond in chat box that yes. Okay, fine. Let me take this notepad. Okay, here I'm going to take the total port 2. Okay, I'm going to take the total pins 2.7, 2.6, 2.5, 2.4, 2.3, 2.2, 2.1, 2.0, right? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Okay. These are our controller port pins. These are our controller port pins. And now obviously we are not using these two pins, right? We are not using these two pins. Fine. From here, if you observe, pin number 2.5, 2.4, 2.5 and 2.4 is connected to input 4 and input 3 unable to. Input 4, input 3 and unable to. Okay, input 4, input 4, input 3 and unable to. Later on, obviously enable 1 is connected. For 2.1, I want to check. For 2.1, input 2, for 2.0, input 1 is connected. Right? For input 2, 2.1, input 2, 1. Yeah, input 2 and input 1. So input 2 as like input 1. Fine. These are the drive pins. These are the drive pins. Fine. Clear. Now, what's your first case? What's your first case? I want to make two motors in forward direction. Then what are the values we have to take? What are the binary values you have to take? Guys, can you please respond? Like if these two motors want to rotate in forward direction, which means that input 1 here, input 1 will becomes 1, input 2 will become 0. Yes, please respond, guys. Okay, అందరికి తెలిసిందే, it's all no confusions, right? If, as I said, that if motor wants to rotate in forward, input 1 should becomes 1, input 2 will become 0. Okay, పాజిటివ్ టెర్మినల్ లో 1 ఇస్తాం, నెగిటివ్ టెర్మినల్ 0 ఇస్తాం, ఫార్వర్డ్ డైరెక్షన్ తిరుగుతుంది. Okay, fine. So input 1 should becomes 1, input 2 will become 0, enable pin obviously will becomes high, means that 1. As like input enable 2 will becomes high, input 3 will becomes high, input 4 will becomes 0. Right? Fine. We'll go back to this. This is obviously 0, this is obviously 0. Input 4 should becomes input 4 and input 3 and input 4. Input 4 will becomes 0. Okay, input 4 will become 0, input 3 will becomes 1. Enable 2, obviously enable pin should be in high, that's mandatory. Here also enable pin should be high, input 2 will become 0, input 1 will becomes high. So this is our motors, two motors rotate in forward direction. What is the hexadecimal value? What's our yes, what is the hexadecimal value for this? What is the hexadecimal value for this? Take the logic of 8421 and tell me this hexadecimal value for this binary form. 8421 x1. Yes, thank you, Anant Kumar. 0x 1d, right? Fine. So what is the second case? What is the second case? Two motors in reverse. Reverse ante obviously ga input 1 and input 3 will become 0, remaining will become high, obviously opposite of this. Okay, this is obviously will become 0, this is 0, input 4 will becomes 1, input 3 will become 0. This should be definitely in high and this should be in high. Okay, input 2 will becomes 1, input 1 will becomes 0. What is the hexa value for this? What is the hexadecimal value for this? 0x 0x 2e. Okay. Next case is I want to make motor 1 as I want to make motor 1 in off state, which means that I want to stop the motor 1. I want to use motor 2 in forward direction. Forward direction in the sense like 0. These pins, we are not using these two pins, so that I'm keeping zeros. And 2.5, which means that forward kabatti this 0, it is 1. This will become 0 because sorry, this will becomes 1. For enable 1 will become 0. Input 2 will also become 0 because we are not using this motor 1. Okay, what is the hexadecimal value? What is the hexadecimal value here? 0x18. Yes. Okay. Now I want to stop motor 2, which means that from up to here we'll get zeros. This is okay. Now I want to make this motor 1 in reverse direction. Reverse direction in the sense like this is 1 and this is 0. Clear? These are my 4 cases. What is the hexadecimal value? First one in this, let me check. Motor 1 in reverse direction. Reverse ante ఇది 1 untale. Yeah. So what is the hexadecimal value? 0x06. Good. Yes. Clear, guys? These are the 4 cases what I have taken. What I have taken. Right? Fine. Now I'll write the code. I'm writing a program for this. This is our header file. Hash includes reg51.h. reg51.h. This is our header file. Next, I'm going to take the total port 2 so that hash define motor to port 2. I have taken port 2. Clear? And void delay. This is our declaration, function declaration, delay declaration. Okay, next is void main. Next is void main. Open our main function, and this should be executing for infinite times. All these steps are common, guys. Okay, open our while loop. Now motor, first case, motor should be two motors should be in forward direction, so that 0x 1d 0x 1d. This is our first case, right? For this we have to give some delay. Okay, remaining is also like that. Okay, motor is equal to, I'm taking the second case, 0x 2e. Okay, for this I want to give some delay, and for third case motor should be 0x18. This is my third case. For this I have to give some delay. For fourth case, motor is equal to 0x06. For this I have to give some delay. Fine. And I want to close this while loop as like main function. Void delay. This is the delay definition. Open this integer I comma j. Okay, for I is equal to 0, I less than 100, I plus plus. This is an increment operation. I I plus plus. Guys, if you done small mistake also in embedded C, it is very difficult to find out. Okay, j less than 1000, j plus plus. I want to close this for loop. Yes, this is our code. Okay, I have taken 4 cases. How these 4 cases will get implemented, let me see in Proteus. Open the Keel, go to the project, new microvision project, go to Keel and take one folder like motor. In this motor, I want to save it as motor. Okay, save 8089C51. This is our microcontroller. Double click on this, click on OK, say no. Sure wish to say yes also, and workspace, save it. Okay, save it as motor dot c. Extension of c is dot c is mandatory. Okay, save it as add existing file. Okay, where is this? Mm. Guys, have I changed any name? Motors. Let me save this. Project completed. Here I want to get file. I don't know. I mean, I have done some. Fine, let me do it from starting. I got. Guys, give me a second. The, yes. New microvision project. I'm going to kill motors. In motors, I want to save it as motor save 8089C51. This is our microcontroller. Click on OK. Target one is created. New. I want to save it as motor slow motor dot c. Save. Okay, add existing file to this. Yes. Fine. Okay, guys, this is our code. This is our program. Control C and Control V. What are the delay? I don't know whether it works or not. We'll see. 0 errors and 0 warnings. Go to this target one, options for target one. Try to change the clock frequency 11.05. 92. Go to the output, create hexa file. Okay. Again, rebuild this. Creating hexa file is done. Okay. Go back to this Proteus 8. Double click on this. Double click on this. Try to change the path. Desktop. Kill motors objects motor.hex. Clock frequency is same. Okay, let me run this. It's working, but we need to give some delay. We need to give some delay. For this, I said you, if you want to give some particular delay, okay, you have to pass the arguments in function declaration unsigned sig and unsigned int. Okay, it's your wish to take the number. Okay, some numerical, so you can take it. Okay, here you have to say unsigned int integer n. Just try to change the 100 as n. I press rebuild this, create a hexa file, done. Now run this. Yeah, yes. As now we are getting exact delay, right? Good, Basha. Project. Okay. Yes, you can take so many cases. Okay. Yes, if anybody done this project, I'll give you the presenter and I'll take the screenshots. 1 second. Meanwhile, I want to take the screenshot of this. Okay. Meanwhile, I want to take the screenshots of this. Whom I have to give presenter for? Mahesh, have you done? Have you completed that? Mahesh, have you done this? Done. Fine. Guys, if you done this, I'll give you the presenter. Please fast up. Okay. Control C. Guys, I have given the code in the chat box. If I'm going to pick like so many members are there, like I'm going to pick someone like to for those only I'm going to use the presenter. Nandini. Bye. Nandini, have you done this? Nandini, can you please respond in chat box? Have you done this? Triveni, this is the second time for you, or like this is the first class for you? I mean that first time program, or like second time you are attending the classes? Page. Karthik Gurram. Karthik, have you done parallelly with me? First time. Okay. Jitendra, you so it may take time, Jitendra. I'll send you this today's class by 3 p.m. or 2 p.m. Okay. It may take time, so that is the reason, Jitendra. Triveni for the first time. Okay. Karthik, Manasa is offline. Mohan Rupa. Yes, which college you are, like with the same serial number 80180111 EC052 EC008 Manasa? Do you belong to which college, like one particular college? What? Fine, guys, give me a second. In the sense, like I'll give you this Google sheet for you. Please fill it. So could you please send me the step? Okay, I'll send you. Actually, Anis sir want to send that yesterday's class, but fine. After this class, I'll send you both the classes, like yesterday's and today's. GPW Kakinada. Okay. See, Shenmukh, how the class will be afternoon, right? So that's the reason why I kept in morning. Actually, there is a meeting for us in afternoon. Okay, guys, give me 2 minutes. I'll send you this Google sheet. Okay, try to fill it. Hi. Guys, next task is try to connect these buttons for these 4 cases. Are you getting my voice? Yes, you'll get. So next task is that if you click the button only, the motor wants to rotate. That's our task. Meanwhile, I just want to give the Google sheet for your name. Register name. College name. Maybe. and guys, I'm giving the edit option. Please don't change the other names. Okay, don't disturb the other names. Temporary enable, waiting temporary enable connections. Guys, my voice is audible to you? Yes. But why I'm getting, there is a network issue. Fine. Fine. Guys, I'll stop this. And now I'm going to, let me see, but my net, there is a network connection from my side. It is it's saying like that. I don't know. I can't able to create the Google Sheet now. Okay. Let me see. Let me see whether it happens. Editing is temporal enable. Please check your internet connection. This is it's showing like that. Okay. I'll do it later. Fine. Meanwhile, let me take for these 4 cases, guys. Remember, I'm going to take button, button, button. Okay. So take this button. So I'm going to operate with these buttons. Okay. For the 4 cases, I'm going to take 4 buttons. If I don't push the button, if I don't use the button, the motors wants to be off. Okay. If I use button 1, motor first case will be implemented. If I use button 2, second case will be implemented as like remaining 2. Okay. So if I am not using any of these buttons, like any of these 4 buttons, okay, these 2 motors should be in off. Okay, this is my task now. Okay, try to connect the buttons now. Okay, I'll take port 2, port 1, sorry. I'm going to take port 1 for these 4 cases. If I click button 1, sorry, if I click button 1, yes, I'm going to take 4 buttons. For this, I want to connect the ground, common ground. Guys, I hope you got my point, right? I know the logic of button also for you. Okay, I know the logic of button, right? If it means that 0 is for off, 1 is for on, right? In yesterday's class, I'll discuss it clearly about this. Okay. If we want to rotate this motor 1, if we want to rotate this motor 1, okay, see for example, if I click this button, it means that logic 0 you have to give. Okay, it means that logic 1. Let me run this because you'll get a clear idea. Guys, if you observe here, all these are in high state. It means that all are 1. Okay, if I click, it means 0. It means that నేను button press, if I click the button, okay, there logic 0 applied. Logic 0 వచ్చినప్పుడే I want to make this case 1 implemented. I want to make this case 1 implemented only when button should be 0. Okay, logic 0 should be applied. Okay, logic 0 should be applied for the button. This is most important, remember that. Okay, in yesterday's class I discussed clearly about that, like two cases like pull down, pull up, everything fine. Let me start this. I'll write a code. I'll just edit here only. I'm going to just edit here only. As defined, motor to port to S bit button B1 is equal to port 1 pin number, pin number 0, right? S bit button B2 is equal to, I'm just declaring it, guys, it's a hardware part. Okay, port 1 pin number 1, S bit button 3 is equal to port 1 pin number 2, S bit button 4 is equal to port 1 pin number 3, pin number 3. Okay, this is my hardware part. And open the main function, open this main, and okay, so what's my first point? If I click the button 1, first case should be implemented, right? If button 1 is equal to 0 అయితే ఏమవ్వాలి? What's that? Motor is equal to, what is my hexa code, hexadecimal value ఎక్కడ ఉంది ఇది? So 0x1d, this should be implemented. Okay, this should be implemented. 0x1d. Guys, are you getting my point? అర్థం అవుతుంది? అర్థం కాకపోతే అడగండి. else if what's the next case? Button is equal to 0 అయితే motor should be rotated in reverse direction. Two cases reverse గా తీసుకుంది. 0x2e, 0x2e. Clear? else if button 3 is equal to 0 అయితే motor, third case is what? Motor should be rotating 0x18, 0x18. This is my third case. Okay, else if B4 button 4 is equal to 0 అయితే, comparison కాబట్టి అయితే motor should be 0x06 అనుకుంటా, 0x06. Okay, else is the most important case. Else motor should be off. Motor is equal to 0x00. Okay, this is my task. Okay, okay, Sanat Kumar, you can go. You can go. Okay, guys, I hope it's clear for you. Okay, if button one is equal to, it means that when I push the button, first case should be implemented. If I push the buttons, if I push the second button, second case will be implemented as like remaining two. If I'm not using any of these cases, else motor should be zero. Motor should not work. Motor motor should not work. Let me rebuild this because the same hexacode. I'm just edited that. Okay, I'll run here. Okay, motors they are not in work. పనిచేయట్లేదు. If I use this first button, if I use the first button, first case implemented. First case is implemented. If I release this, okay, it's not working. If I use this fourth button, only motor one rotates in reverse direction, as like I have taken the fourth case for fourth button. Okay, if I release this, okay, it won't work. If I use the button 2, second case is implemented. If I use button 3, third case will get implemented. Button logic చాలా important ఇక్కడ. If I give logic 0 only, button will work. Okay, guys, అర్థమైందా? Is it clear? Is it clear or not? Yes, thank you. Thank you, Jitendra. Remaining. What about remaining? I'll paste it, Mr. Mahesh Babu. And where is this code? Control C. Okay, guys, give me a second. I'll be back within not a second. Give me 2 minutes. Okay, I'll be back. But I'm going to give the guys. I'm going to give you the presenter. You have to show me this task. Okay, whatever the task we completed now, I'm going to give you the presenter. You have to show me. Please make it fast if you are not done. Okay, I'll be back within 2 minutes. Fatima left. Okay. Guys, I pasted a link in the chat box. Please fill it. Please fill it and don't disturb other names. Okay, I have given the edit option. Please don't disturb other names. Okay, who is this caller 04? Please change these names. Caller dismiss. I'll remove these type of names like caller 0402. Okay, guys, please fill that form and let me give a presenter. Meanwhile, Manasa is in offline. Yamuna, who is Yamuna? Karthik, Karthik చేస్తున్నాం ఇందాక కూడా I mean that I called you but you are not yet responded. Krupa GPT. Yes, please respond whether you are doing or not. I'll give you the presenter. Fatima. Only limited members, 27. So that's the reason why I'm calling everyone. Yes, we'll stop here or like we'll go with another task. Relay. We'll stop here or like we can go with the other task. Relay interfacing with 8051. Please respond in chat box. Okkarna respond on at least one. I want to give the presenter. Like whatever the names I'm calling. Nandini. Nandini Bhai. Bharati Mahanti. Have you done ma? చేస్తున్నారా చేస్తుంటే చెప్పండి if you are done please respond in chat box. I'll give you the presenter. No worries దాంట్లో ఏం పెద్ద ఇదేం లేదు. If you are done it's okay. If you are not done tell me that sorry చేయలేదు సార్ అని చెప్పండి. No worries. Jitendra, okay, good. I have given the presenter so that I want to choose some other. Okay. Sunita, yeah, still doing sir. Okay, Duma, change. I'll give you the presenter. Like as I want to stop here or like I want to not respond అవి వస్తుంది సార్. నాట్ రెస్పాండ్ అని వస్తుంది. దేనికి నాట్ రెస్పాండ్ అని వస్తుంది? మీకు కుదిరితే జితేంద్ర నేను నీకు క్లాస్ పంపిస్తాను, పోస్ట్ చేస్తాను ఆన్ ఆర్ బిఫోర్ 2 PM. ఓకే, మేక్ షూర్ దట్ ట్రై టు చెక్ దేర్ వన్స్. ఓకే సార్, దాంట్లో చెక్ చేయ ఇబ్బంది లేదు. నో వరీస్. త్రివేణి, వాట్ యువర్ నాట్ రెస్పాండ్ అనేది ఏంటి వస్తుంది నీకు? నాట్ గెటింగ్ యూ. సుశాంత్ జీపీటీ లింక్ ఓపెన్ అవ్వట్లేదా? ఎందుకు ఓపెన్ అవ్వదు? ఫిల్లింగ్ రైట్, చాలా మంది ఫిల్ చేస్తున్నారు షీట్ ని. లెట్ మీ ఐల్ షేర్ వన్ మోర్ టైమ్ వాట్స్ రాంగ్ ఇన్ ఇట్. ఓకే, నౌ చెక్ ఇట్ వన్స్. లింక్ ఓపెన్ అవ్వట్లేదా? మేబీ ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, ఇప్పుడు చెక్ చేయండి ఒకసారి. ఐ పోస్టెడ్ ఏ లింక్ నౌ. ప్లీజ్ చెక్ ఇట్ నౌ. Opening, good. Yeah. Manoj, Manoj, have you done this? If you are done with this, I'll give you the sir. We are unable to fill. Karthik, what happened? Is it not opening for you, or like any issues, any net issues from your side? Data, no sir, it's showing the same extension. My god, I don't know what is happening. Nellura, Fatima Zahira Nellur. Okay, fine, fill it. సార్ లింక్ ఓపెన్ అవుతుంది బట్ ఫిల్ చేయడానికి వర్క్ అవ్వట్లేదు ఎందుకు? ఓకే, ఎడిట్ ఆప్షన్ ఇవ్వలేదంటారా? I have given the edit option for you guys. I have given the edit option for you. Anyone with the link editor, copy link, done. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు చూడండి ఒకసారి. చెక్ ఇట్ వన్స్. After fill up, what you have to do means you have to leave it like that. Okay, I'll take from my. Okay, I'll take the means that I'll take the attendance. Not for attendance means that my coordinator, like my senior executive, will ask me that how many students are there present. So after Shinmukha Sai Reddy. Okay, fine. Shinmukha, have you done this? Have you done this task? What we done? What we completed? No? చేసావా? Sir, not only for attendance. Okay. Guys, is it editing? అవుతుందా? Is it editing? ఎడిట్ అవుతుందా? శుభశ్రీ ఎక్కడ ఫిల్ చేసాడా? శుభశ్రీ ఫిల్ అవుతుందా? ఫిల్ చేస్తున్నారా? Like who raised problem? Like Triveni, is it getting? Have you got that? No sir. Oh my god. Triveni, see, if you observe, I'm presenting in the screen also. Okay, so many are filling that. I don't know whether why you are not getting that. If you got that, it's okay. Or like after completion of the class, message me in WhatsApp. I'll give you the link there also. Okay, guys. If I want to stop here, I'll stop here because I want to stop the recording. Or like I want to tell other task like relay interfacing with 8051, or like just stop the class here. It's your wish. Yeah, someone చెప్పండి సార్ Okay. Okay. As if you done with this filling, I'll go forward. Okay. Okay, fine. Guys, next task is okay. Fine. Next task is relay interfacing with 8051 microcontroller. Guys, have you heard about this relay? Have you heard about this relay? Vinnara relay ante entani. What is a relay? No, fine. So relay is an electromagnetic switch. Relay is an electromagnetic switch. Relay is used to switch the high voltages or high currents ni control cheyadaniki relay anedi vaadtaru. Okay, it acts as an electromagnetic switch. To control the high voltages or high currents, we will use this relay. Relay switch అనేది వాడడం జరుగుతుంది. Okay, so for example, if you observe sudden గా voltage fluctuations and current fluctuations కానీ జరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది. Like if you see in we'll use this relays in లిఫ్ట్ లో వాడడం కానీ లేదంటే ఆటోమేటిక్ వాటర్ మోటార్స్ లో కానీ డిఫరెంట్ ప్లేసెస్ లో డిపెండ్స్ అపాన్ అవర్ అప్లికేషన్ వోల్టేజ్ ఫ్లక్చువేషన్స్ కానీ హై వోల్టేజ్ కానీ హై కరెంట్స్ కానీ వెళ్ళిపోయినప్పుడు ఈ రిలే స్విచ్ అనేది కంట్రోల్ చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, రిలే స్విచ్ అనేది కంట్రోల్ చేస్తున్నాం. వాట్ ఆర్ ద కాంపోనెంట్స్ రిక్వైర్డ్ ఫర్ దిస్ రిలే ఇంటర్ఫేసింగ్ విత్ 8051? I'll tell you. Okay, while designing this in the Proteus, I'll tell you. Okay, but different types of relays are there, like 12 volts. From 9 volts we'll take, okay, from 9 volts, 12, 50, 230 volts also relays will be there. Okay, capacity పెరిగే కొట్టి రిలే అనేది అంటే లైక్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇప్పుడు 230 volts తీసుకున్నాం. I'll show you how it works, how the lamp works using this relay. Okay, so here NONC condition use చేసి చేస్తాం. Okay, normally opened to normally closed. Okay, so in this relay magnetic coil ఉంటుంది. 230 volts పవర్ సప్లై మనం ఇచ్చినప్పుడు వోల్టేజ్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు లోపల ఉన్న కాయిల్ మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫ్లక్స్ జనరేట్ చేస్తుంది. ఫ్లక్స్ జనరేట్ చేసి ల్యాంప్ అనేది వెలుగుతుంది అనమాట. రైట్, సో హియర్ ఇన్ దిస్ 8051 microcontroller we are using 5 volts DC power supply and maximum of 12 or 13 milliamperes of current. But we need the extra power supply for this relay. Okay, we are going to take 12 volts of 12 volts for this relay. Okay, 12 volts voltage తీసుకున్నాం మనం ఈ రిలే కంట్రోల్ చేయడానికి. Obviously we are going to take 230 volts to operate the lamp. Okay, రిలే అనేది voltage fluctuations కానీ current fluctuations కానీ, I mean that it acts as a power circuit, సింపుల్ గా చెప్పాలంటే. ఓకే, హై వోల్టేజెస్ ని హై కరెంట్స్ ని కంట్రోల్ చేయడానికి రిలే స్విచ్ అనేది వాడతారు. దిస్ ఇస్ ద మెయిన్ యూస్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ రిలే. Okay, I'll show you how the software, I mean that hardware looks like. Okay, we need to take the NPN transistor. NPN transistor ఏం చేస్తుందంటే రిలే సర్క్యూట్ మొత్తాన్ని డ్రైవ్ చేస్తుంది. Okay, here we are going to take the resistor, NPN transistor, relay as like lamp. Okay, we'll take all these components. I'll show you how to design that. Okay, this is about the introduction part of relay interfacing with 8051 microcontroller. Okay, open the Proteus. Okay, open this Proteus. I hope it's already opened. Fine, let me delete this block. It acts as an electromagnetic switch. Delete all these motors. We are not we don't require all these things. Okay, delete. Button is needed. Okay, we are going to control the relay by button. Well, relay acts as a sensing device. That's good. Okay, okay, we are going to use we are going to control the relay by using the button. Okay, so what are the components required? Definitely resistor, which opposes the flow of current. Resistor plays a key role. Resistor. Resistor. Yes, I got that. Yes, this is a resistor, and NPN transistor which drives the relay. NPN transistor is needed, guys. If you observe here, NPN transistor. Okay, generic NPN bipolar transistor, you have to select this device in library. NPN device, generic NPN bipolar transistor. Double click on this. Okay, and again select in the yeah, and again click type relay. Okay, guys, if you observe here, relay active animated relay model. Okay, active animated relay model. Double click on this relay, and we are going to control the lamp. LAMP, sorry, LAMP, lamp. Where is it? Okay, lamp active animated light bulb. Okay, try to select this. Okay, guys, these are the components required for us. Okay, first take the resistor, try to place it here, change it, drag it. Okay, now take this NPN transistor. This transistor is to drive this relay. The main purpose of this is that. Okay, and now select this relay. Okay, we are going to take 12 volts. Okay, 12 we are going to operate. So malli okkari link petta. Okay, so after completion of this. Okay, for this relay we are going to take 12 volts. Okay, 12 volts, and then we are going to operate the lamp. We are going to operate the lamp now. Okay, So guys, it's your wish to take any port and any pin. Don't confuse in connections. Okay, don't confuse in connections. For this, I want to take the terminal mode, go to ground, connect the ground for NPN transistor. Okay, as I said, I want to connect this uh, 12 volts for this relay, and then I want to take the ground which is connected for the lamp. One end of the lamp is connected to the ground, and again you want to take the power supply which is of 230 AC. Okay, this is the circuit diagram. If you double click on this power, choose plus 12 volts. Okay, double click on this power. Okay, plus 12 volts. Here double click on this, plus 230. Okay, this is a circuit diagram. Okay, and take this button. I'm going to control the relay by using the button. Okay, if I press this button, it is in normally opened condition. Okay, it is a normally open condition. If I press this button, it will comes to normally closed and the lamp will glow. This is our task. This is our task. Fine, take the ground. ఒకసారి రన్ చేసి చూద్దాం. Okay, it's okay. Okay, relay acts as sensing device. That's a very good point, Mahesh. Guys, components are most important. Click resistor, RESIS, resistor, NPN transistor, relay, type relay, lamp, LAMP, lamp. Okay, this is the hardware part, and this is the hardware part. And now if you're done with this, I'll go to the coding part. I mean that I'll write a code. It's a very small code. If I press this button, okay, the lamp have to glow. Normally open means normally close kochi. The switch will varies from normally open to normally close, and lamp will glow. And lamp will glow. If you have done this hardware part, I'll go with a software part program. Very small. It's almost only 10 minutes is fine. Open the keel, go to the project, new microvision project, keel, and let me save it in motors only. In motors, I want to save it as relay. Save 8089C 51. This is our microcontroller. Guys, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. No need to confuse. Take this workspace, save it as relay dot c. Relay dot c. Yes. Add to the source group one. Add existing file. You have to add relay. Add and close. Fine. Very small program, guys. Hash includes. This is our header file reg 51.h. Okay. Yes, bit. Okay, button is connected to port 1. Which pin I have taken here? Port 1, pin 2. pin 2. Okay, S bit button is equal to port 1 pin 2. S bit relay is equal to port 2. Which pin I connected? Pin number 1. Pin number 1. Okay, next one is void main. Obviously it's our main function. Okay guys, have you done with this hardware part? Hardware part చేశారా క్లియర్ గా? ఇక్కడ మన ఇష్టం అంటే లైక్ యునో different types of relays ఉంటాయి. See for example, if you take 12 volts, 6 pins will be there. If you take 50 volts, 6 pins will be there. If you take 230 volts of relay, it has around 8 pins or 11 pins. అయ్యి బాబు, మధ్యలో ఇట్లాంటి సౌండ్ సడన్ పోతే మాత్రం యు ఆర్ ద రెస్పాన్సిబుల్. ఓకే, సడన్ గా సౌండ్ వస్తే కొంచెం ఇబ్బందిగా ఉంటుంది. ట్రై టు మేక్ యువర్ మ్యూట్స్ మైక్స్ మ్యూట్. చూడండి ఏం మాట్లాడుతున్నా అర్థం కాదు. ఓకే ఫైన్. ఓకే, different types of relation depends upon our applications. Plus 230 volts అని ఇవ్వు, ఇక్కడ plus 230 అని, ఇక్కడ plus 12 volts అని. ఇక్కడ డబుల్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ దిస్. ఇట్లా డబుల్ క్లిక్ చేయగానే పవర్ ఉందా? Okay, you will get like this string. Here you have to give plus 12 volts. Click on OK. As like this power supply, so you have to connect ground for one terminal of this lamp and the terminal for NPN. Okay, go to this key. If button is equal to 0 అయితే ఏమవ్వాలి? relay should be on. relay should be 1. relay should be 1. relay should be 1. Else relay should be 0. Take me else relay should be 0. This is a very simple code, guys. Very simple code. Okay, let me build this. I got 0 errors and 0 warnings. Go to this target, options for target 1, 11.0592 clock frequency, create a hexa file, click on OK. Again rebuild this. Okay, go to this Proteus. Okay, double click on this. Maybe this is, yeah, clock frequency, change it, click on OK, run this. Okay, normally open level. So if I close this, the lamp will glow. Output వచ్చిందా? I got the output. పంపిస్తా. This is all about relay interfacing with 8051 microcontroller. Don't confuse it in connections. Okay. Don't confuse in connections, guys. This is the code I'm just posting in the chat box. Okay.